Good morning, students. The next concept in accountancy will be interest on partners' drawings. As you people know, what is the meaning of drawings? Drawing is nothing but the amount withdrawn by the partner from the business for his personal use. That we consider as drawings. Now, what do you mean by interest on partners' drawings? Now, if you remember when I was doing the partnership deed concept, there we said the interest will not be charged on partners' drawings. Now you may ask why we are calculating interest on partners' drawings. Now the concept is clear that I said only in the absence of partnership deed, where if they have not specified anything related to interest on partners' drawing, then the partners will not pay any interest for the amount withdrawn by the firm. Whereas, if it is specified in the partnership deed, then the partners have to pay the interest for the drawings withdrawn. Okay, now what happens here is, it is not specified how much is the interest on partners' drawings. They will specify it, maybe 6%, 8%, whatever. How much ever they will specify in the partnership deed, that amount will be charged for the drawings. Now this interest on drawings is like a profit to the partners. Okay, this will be, they have to, because the amount will be withdrawn by the partner, and for that amount they are paying an interest to the firm. Whatever interest will be paid will be distributed among the partners itself. That is nothing but interest on partners' drawings. Now this interest on drawings will be, there are two methods of calculating interest on partners' drawings. First one is direct method or specified method. Second one will be product method. Now what do you mean by direct method? Under this method, interest is calculated on each item of drawings separately at the specified rate of interest on the amount of that drawings from the date of that drawings to the end of the accounting period. Now what do you mean by this? Under direct method, they will give a partner has been withdrawn some sort of amount. Say for example, in the month of July, imagine there are two partners, A and B. Now B has withdrawn 5,000 rupees in the month of July in the year 2018. Now the interest has to be charged for that particular amount. They will specify in the partnership deed saying that charge interest on drawings at 6% per annum. Now here the interest will be charged with that particular amount. If he has been withdrawn 6,000 rupees, the 6,000, for that 6,000 they will charge 6%, whatever they have specified in the partnership deed, that will be calculated. That is nothing but the direct method. Now how the calculation will happen here? There is a formula. Interest is equal to amount of drawings into rate into number of outstanding month divided by 12 will be the formula to calculate interest on partners' drawings under direct method. Now to know this, we have to know how the interest will be calculated, on what basis. Basically we know there are two types of year. We have a calendar year. It starts from 1st January to 31st December. We call it as a calendar year. But for accounting, we basically go for financial year, which begins from 1st April to 31st March. I had given here an imaginary figure saying that if we consider that 2018 and 19 financial year. Okay, now how the calculation begins? It begins from 1st April 2018 to 31st March 2019. Now how many months? It will come up to 12 months only. Now, for example, if I'll take the financial year as 2018-19, then the year will be 1st April 2018, 1st May 2018, 1st June, July, August, September, October, November, December, then January 2019, February 2019 and March 2019. Total will be 12 months. This is how the calculation happens. Okay, let us go for our first illustration. Now, I have specified here, Pramod, a partner of a firm, has withdrawn rupees 6,000 on 1st June 2018. The rate of interest on partner's drawing is 8% per annum. The account of the firm are closed on 31st March 2019. Calculate interest on Pramod's drawing during the accounting year ended 31st March 2019. Now basically what are the information that we require? We require the amount of withdrawals, okay, amount of drawings, sorry. Then we required rate, what is the percentage. Then number of outstanding days we require. Now how to calculate this? I have written a working note over here. Okay, so we have to check when the amount has been withdrawn. In the sum they said they have withdrawn 6,000 rupees, that is on 1st June 2018. Now we have to calculate how many months that Pramod has to pay the interest. Now he has withdrawn money on 1st June means the interest will be calculated from that month itself. Okay, why? Because if imagine that you are withdrawing, you are taking a loan from the bank. Okay, now the calculation, how you will pay the interest, same way here also interest on drawings will be paid. Okay, now he has withdrawn, Pramod has withdrawn 6,000 on 1st June 2018. That means he has to pay the interest from June month itself for the completion of that particular financial year. Now his calculation will begin from 1st June 2018, then July 2018, August, September, October, November, December 2018 comes with January 2019, February 2019 and 31st March 2019 as the year. So that will get total number of months will be 10 months. I have specified here how the 10 months will come. Now apply the same for the formula. So we have a formula, interest is equal to amount of drawings into rate into number of days divided by 12. Now what is the amount of drawing? It is nothing but 6,000 rupees. I made it red here so that you can easily make out 6,000 into, what is the rate of interest? They said 8% per annum. That means 8 divided by 100 into number of outstanding months it is, sorry, not days, number of outstanding months. How many months it is? 10 months. You can say the working note, 10 months divided by 12. Okay, if you do this, the interest on Pramod's drawing will be 400 rupees. That will be the answer.